Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example. All you need to do is to press the power button and volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. Or just black screen, because sometimes it happens that the device doesn't want to automatically turn on, so you'll need to do it manually, but I will show you everything. So again, power button, volume down button, just like for the screenshot, and press it and keep pressing. We've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it, so keep pressing both of those buttons. And we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. So here I think you can release the fingers, which because our device is powered off. And now in order to turn it on, just press this power button again. Press it and wait, because for some reason this device really takes its time to power on. So if you're pressing the power button and the device is not responding, do not panic. Really, everything is all right. Just be patient and wait. I was pressing the power button for at least 5 seconds, I think. The other day it happened to show me the logo after a few seconds. So as you can see here, we've got the logo. So if it is not really responding, I mean for a few seconds or so, really don't panic, because this is how this device works, at least after a forced restart or forced shutdown. So don't panic, everything is all right. As you can see, it's powered on again. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.